Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking basics so the steps work. Open Settings, then tap Battery. Right away you see battery percentage and the low power mode toggle. Turn the toggle on to reduce background app refresh, automatic downloads, and some visual effects. This conserves battery immediately. Once done, make sure your mail and background app refresh settings reflect the change. These are the biggest drains. You'll feel results quickly. Slower animations, reduced fetch frequency, and extended runtime when you need it most. Next, automate low power mode so you don't toggle it manually. Open Shortcuts, pick Automation, then create Personal Automation. Choose battery level and set a threshold such as 20%. Add the action. Set low power mode to on. This runs when your battery hits that number. If you want it to turn off automatically, create a second automation for battery level above 80% that sets low power mode off. Run each automation once to confirm permissions and avoid surprises later. Finally, verify low power mode is working. The battery icon turns yellow and some app activity is reduced. If you enabled automations, watch them trigger at the set percentages. Make sure Shortcuts has permission. When charging, low power mode usually turns off automatically above 80%, or you can switch it off in settings. If the toggle is missing or won't engage, restart your iPhone, update iOS, and, if needed, reset settings. This often fixes permission or system glitches without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.